A poor gasket installation can result in a leakage or, even worse, a disaster. Therefore, a set of rules which our video clip series will present stepwise should be strictly observed. Rule number 1. Fasteners should be well lubricated. This guarantees the best result. Why to lubricate fasteners? Bolting flanges creates a clamping force, which compresses the sandwiched gasket. Under this compressive stress, the gasket deforms by adapting to the flange's surfaces, compensating unevenness and roughness and simultaneously reducing its porosity. Friction, caused by the resistance of a moving body against a contact surface, prevents all the torque force applied to be translated into the necessary stress on the gasket surface. About 80% of all the torque force applied is wasted as friction. About 20% of all the torque force applied induces the useful stress on the gasket surface. Well-lubricated fasteners alleviate the friction during torquing and allow a uniform distribution of the compressive stress. Therefore, remember to lubricate fasteners well. For more information, don't hesitate to contact us. In theory, there is no difference between theory and practice. In practice, there is.